Slot World Adventures with Scott and Pam. Pam's on, I don't even know what these games are called, but she's got 20 free games remaining. She's been playing for about 10 minutes on this free game, and it just keeps paying and paying. And I'm over here on mine on 250 bet. Pam's on a 150 bet.
Wow, you're doing really good, honey.
And mine hasn't re-triggered or anything, but hopefully it'll almost. And I'm up to 42 bucks. I put $20 in there.
I'm playing on $10 of free play.
Pam's up to 62 something. Come on, re-trigger. Yes. All right.
Wow.
So when you get 3 of those, they'll turn over, and if you turn over 3 of the majors or the minors, you get them. Oh, you won the minor bonus of $10 again. Oh, if you get a 5 of a kind win, you get the minor bonus.
Wow, okay.
I don't know what you have to do to get the major bonus.
You gotta get 3 of a kind.
Uh-oh. I got one spin left. Come on, baby, re-trigger. Nope. That's okay. We won $54.75. Pam's over here, and she's up to $89, $90. And this is going to be over a $100 game, free game. I just won $100 on Joe Blow a little bit ago. We're having a good time now.
Thank you, River Rock.
Yeah. Hopefully she can get one of those majors up there. Ah, almost. Okay. Here we are at River Rock Casino.
No.
Pam is in a triple pop bonus on a $1.76 bet. We'll get some credit boost coming down here. It's a couple bucks. She's betting pennies. She's got credit boost, extra spin.
Land.
No. No soup for you. There you go. Wow. Come on, land those 3s. Nope. There you go. Good.
Leave it up top, up. Darn it. Not a really good bonus here. Come on. Wow. I need to save it up top.
Looks like up top is done. Credit boost is starting to add up.
Come on, baby.
Come on.
Wow, one. Thank you.
Okay. Just keep filling that up. Fill it all up, honey.
Stop.
There you go. You just got to tell it what to do.
Yes. Stop. Oh, yes. Save it.
That's it. Good bonus, Pam. contributed like 37 cents to that. She won $69. Better not poke in the eye.